Hey y'all, we got one more day till Christmas and I know everyone's rushing to wrap their presents, so I got some really easy inspiration and ideas for all of you. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, so everything is accessible and super easy to find. I recently did a super easy pillow case that I made with this $1 scarf from the Dollar Tree. So all we're going to do is take a scrap of that and we are going to wrap our presents around just like this with a glue gun. And then I just got these really nice glittery stickers that are so festive, and I'm just putting J-O-Y for joy. And this present is all ready to go. This is for all of you who loves to doodle. This is just a super easy way to decorate your present. All you're taking is a chalk marker. This is also from Dollar Tree. They also have some nice gold and silver markers as well. And I'm just doodling some really cute ornaments with a bunch of different designs. You can customize this to anything you want, and it's just a simple and easy way to make your present pop. This next one is my kind of present. I love ribbons and I love making them as big and as fluffy as they can be. So all you're taking is a wire ribbon right here. This is also from the Dollar Tree. You are going to need wire. If it doesn't have wire, it's not going to work as well. But all you're going to be doing is taking a strip of that, depending on how big your ribbon you want to be. But you're going to fold it on one side and then flip it over, fold it on the other side again, and then flip that over and fold it on the other side just like this. The more folds you have, the fluffier it will be, and I usually like to do about 6 or 7 or even 8 folds. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take some scissors, you're going to cut diagonally in the middle but not going all the way to the center, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just going to take some wires, or you can even use pipe cleaners if you want, but this is a lot thinner so it looks better. And we're just going to wrap that around so that it's all secure. It kind of looks like a bow. You don't have to do it extremely tight, but make sure that it's not loose either. So with that, you made some mini loops, and what you're going to do is you're going to take that out and you're going to open it up and then flip it over just like this. And this is how you shape your bow to be a little bit of a circle. I know it could take a long time to get the perfect bow, but once you practice a little bit more, you'll be super efficient and faster at them. I cut some black gift wrap strips and put it on this white present, and then all I'm doing is taking a glue gun and gluing that beautiful ribbon on. I'm also taking some cute small ornaments also from the Dollar Tree and just giving it a little bit more of that oomph and making it even more fancy. I love this one. Next up is a great one for kids or for somebody who just loves these sequin fabrics. These come in a package of 2. There was one that's rose gold and then there's this colorful one. I'm using this colorful one and I'm literally just covering the top of this small little present here. You can also make different shapes. You can cut out a tree, you can do a wreath or different ornaments and hang it from string on the present. But I just love the whole thing being covered. It looks so beautiful. I love feeling this stuff. This is amazing. And you can even put their initials on it and they just look so absolutely festive. Another idea to dress up your present is with these beautiful paper doilies. We're going to make a bouquet out of this, so all we're doing is making a cone shape and we're just gluing that together and then gluing that on the actual present. I wanted to do it all white, but if you wanted some contrast, you can do a different color gift wrap paper. You can also take some poinsettias from the Dollar Tree also. They come in red and white. Again, I wanted the white, and you can just go ahead and glue that and insert that in here. You can put fresh flowers and whatever types of other flowers you want. I think some fresh eucalyptus would go absolutely lovely with this present because it just smells good. These chalkboard tags are also from the Dollar Tree, and it's a nice little cute thing to just give it a little bit of contrast because it is black. And then I'm taking my chalk marker and just putting Mom. Next, you're going to need an empty toilet paper roll and also these Q-tips. We're going to be making a wreath, or better yet, we're going to be stamping wreaths onto the gifts. So you're going to make something round like this. It's not all going to look very circular, but you know what? We're going to make it work. So it's going to look something kind of like this. And now we're just going to pour some acrylic paints and use that as our ink. And all you're going to do is stamp on your present. So what you want to do is kind of go around so your wreath looks a little bit more full. Again, you can customize this to whatever color you want. And then we're just going to add a little bit of red for some contrast for the hollies. This next one is super easy. We're just gonna take some stickers that kind of look like ornaments and you're just gonna place it on your gift. Now these gift wrappers you can actually get from the Dollar Tree. They come in a lot of different colors. I like this pink one because it's super bright. So all we're doing is sticking on these little gems and we're just gonna be putting some more design with our chalk marker, and that's pretty much it. Last but not least, this has to be my favorite one because we're going super extra with this. So we're taking some burlap, also from the Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna wrap that around our gift just like this. You can pretty much use any greenery you want, but this one is for my front yard. I lucked out, and so I cut a few of these, and we're just making a wreath out of this. It smells so good, it's so fresh, and it's really nice to have on your gift too. This is a super extra feature, but I thought it was so cool, and it would be so amazing to receive a present like this. I'm adding some lights that I also got from the Dollar Tree. We're putting that behind the burlap, and then we're gonna light that up later, but after we put this beautiful deer head that I got also from the Dollar Tree. I wrap that around twice, and after that you can light it up. Look how beautiful and amazing this one looks. I had to cover a little bit of the battery pack underneath with a little bit more burlap, but other than that it looks absolutely perfect. So those are some of the easy gift wrapping ideas that I have for you, all from the Dollar Tree, so everything's super affordable. I hope that you enjoy this holiday season with your family and friends. Give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below. Let me know what you think. Merry Christmas, and hopefully you have a happy New Year. Bye!